Hello everybody, so welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. You might want to change your Simpin because your pin got in the wrong hands, or you can't remember it, or it's something else you want to change your Simpin for. I always change it because the one that comes from my provider is just so difficult that I cannot remember it. And to change your Simpin, you want to go to your settings and then go to security. Scroll down to more security settings, and then you here have SIM card lock. You click on it and then you can click on change SIM pin. So now you need to put in your old SIM pin 4x0 and now your new SIM pin, and then retype your new SIM pin. And then SIM pin changed successfully. So now when I restart my phone, I need to put in my new SIM pin. You also want to be a bit more creative than I am. So 4x0 and 1 2 3 4 are probably not the best options to use as a pin, because that is, I think, the first combination that people try when they want to get to your things. So this is how you change your Simpin on your Xperia 5 Mark IV. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.